Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one story basically, that is of currency, and currencies basically are also basically story basically you can say. In currency basically we are discussing about the ideas basically, and idea basically contains the global warming error basically, and that is basically error basically that you can't basically lots of people says that basically to save the education system and to save the entire software companies, each and every big companies basically, lots of stories are created so that basically this all big software companies and this all company basically can be saved basically. But that will not happen, na, basically you can't save the thing basically, the things basically which has happened wrong, that basically has happened wrong basically. You can't basically, you can basically do the solution basically. For example, these all are the solution basically, like the sun solar system also basically fires the head basically, that basically also research basically says that basically lots of bodies basically gets attacked through the sun solar system basically, lots of bodies basically has attacked, that also basically lots of people says. In this basically we are discussing about the creation of the cities basically. So in creation of cities basically we just now basically saw one story of the John Abraham Lincoln and Wilkes Booth basically, John Wilkes Booth. So that two basically exists somewhere basically, that is 100% sure basically. That basically data the World Bank basically have and the World Health Organization basically also have, and that basically mostly basically both are in not basically in the one country. One might be in another one country and another basically might be in another country basically. That is also basically one of the rule basically of the universe basically. By chance basically both are basically in one country, then basically lots of things basically is going to create problem basically. So that's why by mistake basically assume that basically both are basically are both family basically are in one country. So they're basically always shoot out this that basically president kill, prime minister kill, this type of incidents basically is going to happen 100%, mark my words basically. This type of thing basically is 100% going to exist if both basically are staying in one country basically. If basically both are not staying in one country, then basically this matrix will not generate basically. That basically the nuclear power company basically might be knowing that how basically the stories basically attraction basically happens and how the opposite attraction basically happens basically of each and every stories basically. So that's basically is also basically one of the dangerous topic here basically, that is while creating the cities basically. So while creating the cities basically, which side basically the data is supposed to be put, which side the data is not supposed to be put, that basically is supposed to be known. Reason behind on last day of world basically, these all are the things basically which is going to matter basically, that's why basically. So by chance basically the city like Gaza, sorry it's not city basically, country like Gaza basically has ended. That basically is the reason basically, it was not basically might have created on the manner of that basically. That's basically different thing basically, somebody might have created, but due to the wrong creation basically the Gaza city basically ended, and lots of people basically died also basically, lots of people basically died also basically. That is also basically because they trusted the people, na, basically. For example, Vadodara city created, right? Vadodara city, people says that basically Vadodara city has created by lots of big builder. Like for example, take first Baroda I will take, then basically I will take a Mumbai city. For example, lots of people says that Vadodara city basically has created by lots of big Britishers builders basically, and lots of big Indian builders has basically created the Vadodara city basically. So they have created this city basically on the base of certain level of stories only basically, on the level of certain stories basically. So that group basically big level builders basically might be knowing that basically these two people basically stays where basically, and what is the structure of these two people basically currently basically. For example, as on 9th of October, sorry 9th of December 2023, time is 15:09 p.m. That is the 3:09 p.m. basically. On that time basically where these two people basically exist. So that basically who might be knowing. One is the power company who sends the data to them. Second is the energy company who takes the data from them. from that area basically. Third is the nuclear power company who prepares the next level data for them basically. That's very dangerous thing basically, and that is going to connect the each and every city in this world basically. These two story basically exist in across the whole world basically. So where is that place basically? For example, in Vadodara city. Vadodara city also basically exists somewhere basically this story basically. Because Vadodara city also basically has created just recently basically. So that data basically 100% exists somewhere basically in Vadodara city also. In Mumbai city also basically that story basically exists somewhere basically. Where basically that basically builder only basically might be knowing. And the building basically where this data has been used basically. And the builder basically everybody knows basically where they what they do basically, up to what level bad they do and what level good they do basically. For example, one of the person told that, Sunil, basically I basically heard that basically somebody basically damaged your eye basically and damaged your hand basically. Then into that, yes, basically somebody has damaged, yeah, basically. But basically the medicine basically treated it basically also. Then basically, do you know basically who damaged it basically? That basically nuclear power company knows now basically, because they have merged the data and they have sent the data basically. Because the rule basically says that whatever energy basically which has generated, you have to take the data and you have to send that data basically back also. You can't basically escape that data basically. And then basically it comes to the crime basically. Crime is who damaged your head basically, who damaged your eye basically. And then basically the case opens with this all basically are digital world basically. This all comes into the cyber world basically. On last day basically this all basically are going to be place basically going to play a most important role. That's why basically. So one of the person told that how basically the cities basically are created. So this all basically which just now I display basically, this all story basically everything, this all basically are city creation basically. And like this only basically the city creation has happened basically. For example, few people says that basically in Gujarat First World War and Second World War data also exist. Then basically one of the person told that basically which all are basically that group here basically, which all are that caste basically. Lots of people says that basically when the First World War lots of people basically ended and the Second World War also basically ended, some German basically told that basically we have created one Gujarati caste. In the Gujarati caste basically we have placed lots of caste which basically contains the data of First World War and Second World War basically. That means German actually started the Gujarati. German started the Gujarati caste. Then this was actually story basically. This is actually story basically told by one of the person basically. That basically I also don't know basically who basically told it. I basically heard from some group basically that Gujarati caste actually created by German group. Started by. I am talking about started of Gujarati caste. And lots of people says that basically First World War and Second World War was that data basically. That's basically story basically, it is correct or wrong basically. That basically I also don't know. But I basically heard from somewhere basically. Suna kahin se. This story basically. Same way basically John Wilkes Booth and Abraham Lincoln story basically. They also basically exist somewhere basically. But where basically it's very difficult to tell. That basically only nuclear power company and the power company and the energy company only know basically. Because and the mostly basically software company also basically might be knowing, but that is not 100% confirmed. But they their software basically also contain this story basically. So for example, one software company created one CRM project. That CRM project basically contains this story basically. That is this story basically. Sometimes basically head gets damaged. Like this type of things basically happens, na basically. That is the generation of that story basically. What you have done that time basically in software creation basically, why basically your head get damaged. So that are basically story basically. In next video we are going to see a little bit more about this.